Hi guys, I made this pizza using Amul Pizza Cheese Mozzarella. So in this video we are going to see its review and pizza recipe. It's a 200-gram block, MRP is 117. Always store this in freezer section of your refrigerator. Whenever you want to use this, take the pack out 30 minutes before use. And shelf life of this product is 6 months, but once you open the pack, use within 1 month. So we have this ready-made pizza base. Now spread pizza sauce all over the base, including corners. You can also use tomato ketchup. Now layer the cheese. I'm using this grater and it's so easy to grate. Just make sure you keep the cheese at room temperature for 30 minutes before using. Spread cheese all over the base. Now layer the veggies of your choice and evenly put the veggies all across the base. Once you put all the veggies, sprinkle a little bit of salt, Italian herbs and chili flakes. Now we have two ways, oven for 5 minutes till the cheese melt, or if you want a crust pizza on the bottom, go for pizza on tawa. So heat a tawa and now reduce the flame to low, transfer the pizza to the tawa, cover it and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame until the cheese melt. Now let the temperature cool down a bit and then slice it, serve hot and subscribe for more such videos.